Lindy AI is making waves as a potential game changer for those looking to automate their daily tasks. But does it really live up to the hype? Let's dive in and see if Lindy AI can actually make your life easier, or if it's just another overhyped tool. Lindy AI positions itself as an intelligent assistant designed to streamline your workflow through automation. At its core, it helps users manage repetitive tasks, set reminders, and even handle emails more efficiently. The user interface feels intuitive, making it relatively easy for newcomers to jump in without feeling overwhelmed. What stands out immediately is its focus on personalization. Lindy AI tailors its suggestions based on your habits and preferences, which can be a real-time saver. However, there are areas that feel a bit unclear. For instance, the extent of its integration with other tools isn't fully transparent. It's also not entirely clear how well it adapts to different work environments or industries. Overall, while the concept is solid, you might find yourself wishing for more detailed guidance on how to fully leverage its features. Let's break down the pros and cons. On the positive side, Lindy AI is user-friendly and can significantly reduce time spent on mundane tasks. The personalization aspect is a definite win, allowing it to adapt to your specific needs. However, there are some notable drawbacks. For one, the lack of detailed information on integrations can be frustrating. If you rely heavily on specific software, you might find yourself in the dark about whether Lindy AI will work seamlessly with your existing tools. Additionally, some users may feel it lacks advanced features that more experienced users might expect. If you're someone who thrives on customization or has unique workflow requirements, Lindy AI may not be the best fit for you. On the other hand, if you're looking for a straightforward automation assistant, it could be worth considering. In conclusion, Lindy AI shows promise as a handy assistant for automating daily tasks, especially for those new to the automation scene. However, if you're an advanced user or need robust integrations, you might want to explore alternatives. Overall, it's worth a try if you're looking to simplify your routine, but proceed with cautious optimism.